Hi, it's Mirza with Bold City. Thank you so much for tuning in. And this week we're discussing the cost of replacing your motors, your indoor and outdoor motors. We get a lot of questions from customers calling in, asking us give them a rough estimate on how much a blower motor would cost. Well, there's different options. Depending the age of your system, if your system is out of warranty, it's probably more than 10 years old. At that point, you want to see other options. Maybe go with a universal motor as an OEM motor for a 10-year or older system. It's gonna get pretty pricey. Well, I wanna go over two basic types of motors that we have. If your system does not have a variable speed or any module controlled system, you can go with a simple blower motor such as this one. This will range anywhere from $375 to about $500 depending on the model, the horsepower, and the RPMs of your motor. So if your system has a variable speed motor or a module in the motor, then it gets a little bit more pricey. But we do have an alternative. We have a solution, Evergreen Motors. They make exceptional motors for all major manufacturers, Trane, Lennox, Goodman, Carrier, Bryant. They are a little bit more pricey, but they will be much, much less than an OEM motor. So if your motor is out of warranty, Evergreen is the way to go. Evergreen can run anywhere from $600 to $900, which is still significantly less than an OEM motor. As always, give us a call back. You can give us a model and serial number, and we'll be more than happy to give you a price over the phone. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to go to and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more products overviews and tips on keeping a healthy HVAC system in your home. Thank you so much and stay bold.